Welcome to a quaint little steakhouse on Highway 71, Nancy Steakhouse. Sometimes, while driving on Highway 71 between Austin to Houston, I make a stop at Nancy Steakhouse to enjoy life's little pleasure. My name is Sue, who loves taking you on a foodie adventures and sharing recipes. Today, let's stop at a little-known, off-the-beaten-track restaurant, Nancy Steakhouse in Columbus. I left the address in the comment below and hope you will patronize soon. A cozy, less busy restaurant that offers a variety of steak options including red eye, rib eye, filet mignon, and New York strip, as well as the delicious fall of the bones, pork ribs, seafood, and salad. This restaurant offers the enjoyment of a delicious meal in a quiet, friendly hospitality. I like to enjoy a relaxing meal before I drive on the busy highways of Houston. Just taking a break from Austin to Houston, and it's usually about 1.5 hours, and then you get a stop at Columbus. This has become quite a favorite place, having stopped on different occasions during my commute between Austin and Houston. In addition, the price will be more expensive in Houston and even sometimes double. I highly recommend that you make a stop one of these days. It is relaxing, just suitable for a cozy quality time with family and friends. Located in Columbus, Texas, this steakhouse proudly serves certified Angus beef and they offer a range of steak options and other delicious dishes. My favorite being the salad bar that gives you the opportunity to load up on healthy, fresh greens. I fell in love with the salad bar. No kidding. It's all the toppings, including crunchy croutons, the cheeses, the olives, sweet corn, chickpeas, and such a good variety of sauces. While traveling on the road, a good salad is such a rare and welcome treat. After all, the fast and quick meals is just heaven to enjoy the simple, delicious, and healthy pleasures. Sometimes I wish there are more places with salad bars. Despite its delicious food, beautiful decor, and friendly staff, and affordable prices, this place is lesser known by diners. Many seem to miss this restaurant for fast food joints that are sprouting around the vicinity. I don't get any advertisement or any promotion of any kind. Just genuinely want to recommend places that serve good food and want to start a movement of keeping these small restaurants alive. These restaurants often get cannibalized by fast food franchise. Small restaurants are more than just places to grab a bite. They are vital to the community's fabric. There are a few reasons why keeping them alive is important. Small restaurants often offer unique, culturally diverse cuisine that you might not find in larger chains. They celebrate traditions and provide a taste of home for many people. Supporting small restaurants means supporting local businesses. They often source ingredients from nearby suppliers, creating a network of economic benefits within the community. The personal connection between owners, staff, and customers is something that large chains cannot replicate. Small restaurants often provide a sense of community and personalized service that makes dining a more memorable experience. Small restaurants are often more willing to experiment and innovate their menus, and they can offer unique dishes and adapt quickly to new trends and customers' preferences. They provide employment opportunities for locals, from chefs to servers to suppliers. This helps in reducing unemployment and supporting families. Many small restaurants focus on sustainability, using locally sourced organic ingredients and minimizing waste. This approach is often more environment-friendly than larger chains. Small restaurants often serve as gathering places for the community, hosting events, live music, and more. They create a sense of belonging and togetherness. Nancy Steakhouse, just one-of-a-kind restaurant that celebrates this legacy by offering a dining experience that reflects the tradition of Texas cattle ranching. Cattle drives were a significant part of Texas history, where cowboys would herd cattle from ranches to railheads to shipments to markets. These drives required a team of cowboys, and such a part of history and often seen in movies and televisions. If you like this video, it's brought a smile to your face and maybe gives an idea of where to have a gathering with friends and family, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please like, share, and subscribe to keep restaurants alive, delicious food plentiful, and keep tradition and diversity alive. Thanks for watching. See you next time. This is Sue, and I hope you will support local businesses, small restaurants, and thank you for watching. Bye.